Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to open safe mode in Windows 10 and guide you step by step so you can troubleshoot your PC safely. Step 1. Press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. This little box allows you to quickly run programs or commands directly, which saves time compared to searching through menus. Step 2. Type msconfig into the Run dialog and press Enter. This will open the System Configuration tool, which is a central place to manage how Windows starts, including safe mode options. Step 3. Go to the Boot tab at the top of the System Configuration window. The Boot tab lets you control your startup settings, including selecting safe mode so you can start Windows in a minimal state. Step 4. Check the box for Safe Boot and select Minimal. This ensures Windows starts with only the essential drivers and services, which is perfect for troubleshooting issues without extra programs interfering. Step 5. Click OK and then select Restart to boot into safe mode. Once your PC restarts, it will start in safe mode, allowing you to safely make changes or fix problems without normal Windows processes running. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.